Welcome to the Isabelle PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up extensions in the Isabelle PBX. To begin, click on the PBX tab, then click on PBX Configuration from the dropdown. Click on Extensions. The first thing we want to do is select the extension type from the device dropdown. For this demonstration, we'll choose the generic SIP device option. Click on Submit. Since there are a lot of different settings to choose from, you will want to review the settings and change as needed for your scenario. However, we're just making a simple extension in this demo. Enter the extension number in the User Extension field. Enter the user's name in the Display Name field. Set up the outbound caller ID for this user. Set up the 911 caller ID for this user in the Emergency CID field. Click on Submit, then click on Apply Changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an extension in the Isabelle PBX. Check back for more helpful guides as we're continually adding new content.